Hi, this video is going to show you how to install the Ackroo app onto your IWL 250. In your installation package, you should have received a USB key just like this one, and you'll notice that it has a little door on the back, so we're just going to pop it off because what we actually need is the micro USB. So the port is going to be right on the side underneath this little rubber flap. So all you're going to do is take your USB key and plug that right into the port. You don't have to necessarily have this in the cradle. I'm just going to sit it back down there. Now, at this point, all you need to do from the main screen of your terminal, just press the yellow button and the pound button, the hashtag, press them together. You're going to get the smiley face, and then immediately press and hold the F4 key, which is this one right here, and you'll see it go through these prompts. That's how you can tell it's activating. And you can see that's the newest version of the app, 3.12. Now from here, you're going to need to go to this website. If you hit the enter key, it'll give you the instructions, but you need to go to pin.ackroo.com, and that's going to give you a PIN number that you need to enter. And once you've done that, you're all set. Thanks for watching.